Hello YouTube, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we have the P.I.T toolbox, and this is, I guess, the serial number or the item number, which is right there. As you guys can look at that too. This is the box it came in, and there's there. This is a small toolbox, nothing too much to it. Let's just get right into the video. All right, some hopefully it's kind of big for this angle, but hopefully it's it. Let me flip it here. Ooh, sorry about that. Here it is. It's pretty heavy. I would say it's about nicely packaged. Shipping, I would say about a couple, like 1, 2, 3 pounds. Nah, not one. Definitely like around 3. Made out of metal. Just take it out of this plastic. Cool, decent paint, as you can see there with the light. Nice and red, nice and bright. Hey, sorry about that cut. The audio kind of messed up, but here's the P.I.T master box. Again, it's just a regular standard metal toolbox, around 3 to 4 pounds. I'm gonna lay it to this back, that way you can see it. Here's the bottom, where you can see it open. And so you open it, you just touch it up. Goes down there, does this. Has around 3 drawers, and then a 4 top. This is drawer. Down, they all come in. Oh, this one comes right here. It's right here actually. I thought it wasn't there. And then there's this one, so I guess they all come with a little foam padding. You can take it off. What I read correctly, it's around 7 to 8 inches, and then 4, and I think 1 inch deep without the foam insert. And again, it's just a little thin. Here, that's how you close it. That's how it looks from a roof, from the top view, bottom view, laying down view. And then it's nice and sturdy. It's magnetic, everything. This is magnetic. Does this stay here magnetic? This is magnetic right here. So yeah, I think I showed you everything about the toolbox. I mean, it's a toolbox, nothing really much to it. One last final look. Again, comes with this. You can take it off, around 1 inch deep. I mean, it's cool. It costs around $40. I didn't think too much about it. I don't know how I'm gonna use it yet. I mean, I do. Again, I'm just gonna put like my everyday things in here. You know, the tape, like my little knives, probably some stickers, just things, and like probably the things I have in my pockets every day. Maybe if my wallet and keys can fit in here, I'll probably just put them at the top. And yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions about the toolbox, leave them down in the comments, and peace.